underneath this UFO like observation deck. And it looks like this thing is working. Except it smells like urine in here. I don't know what this used to be, but as far as I know, 2010 Schindler modded this, and then they modded again in 2018. Who knows who? These buttons. I'm gonna dig some pics. I don't know what the hell is up there. Take a look in the cab before we go. Okay, I just want to point something out. I totally forgot to mention. The cab actually has been redone, so it looks a little different from the last time. So I'll post a little clip from the last time I was there, what it used to look like. And at one point it was an H Express mod. Now it's something else. I don't know who. This shape is very funky looking shape. Looks really odd. You can tell that how awkward the shape is, and that too. Doing the iPhone 13 Pro Max on this to get a good angle on this, how awkward this cab shape looked. Vision from here. You can tell how awkward it is. Can't even see what I'm doing.